Hi students, welcome back to the world of English. In today's session, we are going to deal with the topic which is titled as Not Just a Teacher but a Friend. Okay, our reading B is titled as Not Just a Teacher but a Friend. Now, according to you, or how do you define a friend? A friend is the one who is, in good terms with you. You share your feelings, your emotions. You are very much, affectionate. You have lot of, bond with your friend. Okay, which means you are very free. Now, when you look at the title, not just a teacher but a friend. Okay, now do you find the qualities of a friend in your teacher? Do you? So in today's session reading B, we are going to read a poem which is actually a means to describe the true essence of a teacher and who had been a good pillar of support, a company in sadness and like a friend to the poet. Okay, here the poet describes about his teacher. Okay. So what is the poem all about? Not just a teacher but a friend. This poem is actually a means to describe the true essence of a teacher who had been a good pillar of support, a company in sadness, and like a friend to the poet. Okay, the poet might be a girl or a boy. Okay, or the poet might be a girl or a boy. However, in the poem, it was told that the poet had gone through a number of personal troubles in life. At times, the poet would not find any solace, and in those times of sadness, his or her teacher had always been by her or his side. Okay, the poet experiences the solace and comfort through her or his teacher. Okay, the teacher used to teach the 8th standard, and just after a year, when the poet got promoted to class 9, he or she thought the trust and friendship would fade away. Okay, she thought she she may not experience that comfort and solace from her or his teacher, but still the teacher continued to exist, and the teacher, amidst the busy schedule, made sure that their poet was all right and at least felt all right. Okay, simple. The teacher spent her or his time in order to make the student feel all right. Okay. Now, let's get to the textual part of a lesson, and our reading B is titled as Not Just a Teacher but a Friend. Okay? I had nowhere to turn, had nowhere to go. This is just something I think you need to know. So the poet says that, with the confidence, he does not know he had neither any direction nor any place to go. And the poet says that I think that you need to know. Okay, who needs to know? The teacher needs to know that. Okay. I don't know what made me to trust you. So what the poet is trying to, say to the teacher, that the poet doesn't know what made him or her to trust his teacher. Okay. Simple, please understand. The poet says that he had neither any direction nor any place to go, but the poet says that the teacher needs to know that what made him to trust the teacher. Okay. I still remember the day when I told you what I have been through. Okay, I still remember the day when I told you what I have been through. So the poet says that he or she remembers the day, particular day, when he or she told what he or she had been going through. Okay, going through in his or her life. Okay. I thought I should run away, go hide in a hole. So the poet says that, still the poet remembers the day, the particular day, when he shared what he was undergoing to his teacher. Okay, and he or she thought that he should or she should run away and hide himself or herself in a hole, okay, or a fear. Okay, but then you really brought out my true soul. So the poet says that he or she remembers that particular day when he shared about what was going on in his or her life. Okay, first the poet thought, to run away and hide in a hole, but then the teacher played a great role. Okay, the teacher directed him or her so well and brought out his or her spirit. Okay, just accompany the student, accompany the poet. Okay, as each day grew longer, our trust became stronger. Simple, right? So the teacher could spend, time with the student or the poet, and the poet felt so comfort and so much solace in the presence of the teacher and could share everything that the student was undergoing or the poet was undergoing. So the bond between the teacher and the student grew stronger and stronger. Okay, so as each day grew, the bond, the relationship between the teacher and the student became stronger. Clear? Each time I wanted to cry, you stayed there right by my side. Very simple, okay? So, in every moment of sadness, the teacher stood by the poet, okay? Each time the poet wanted to cry, okay? In times of, sadness, difficulties, disappointments, the teacher stayed by the student, accompanied the student. Clear? Then I moved to the next grade. Boy, was I afraid that our trust would slowly fade, but I was wrong. We are still strong. It's clear, right? So the boy moved to the next grade, which standard could be probably ninth. Okay, so when the boy moved to the next grade, the boy was afraid that the trust he had built, the confidence that he had built with his teacher would fade away with would disappear. Okay, but he was strong, which means they continued that relationship. Okay, simple. When the boy got promoted to the next class, and as a boy he was afraid that the trust that he had built towards his teacher would fade away, but it was wrong. Okay, but it was wrong. Let us see what was that. Even though sometimes you don't have time, you at least ask me if I am fine. Okay, a simple. See, the boy has already moved to the next grade, right? So the boy thought, the confidence and the relationship would fade away, but still, the teacher, in spite of her or his busy schedule, would spend some time and ask the poet if he was fine. Okay, if he was fine. Even though sometimes I'm not, I feel like I have just been shot. I smile and say, yes, I'm alright. Okay, so whenever the teacher could find her or his own time to spend with the poet would really feel a kind of relief, could find comfort in the presence of the teacher. So, when the teacher inquires about the poet how he or she is, even though the poet is not so good, the poet feels like telling that he was all right. Okay, he smiles and says yes. Clear? Then I walk away and you're out of sight. I'll just have to wait. I still have my fate. So, at present, though the teacher has no time, the teacher greets him or her and asks the poet how he is, and the poet says that he is or she is fine even though he is not so good. Okay, he says with a smile that he is all right or she is all right, and he simply or she simply smiles and says yes. And when both of them get separated, the poet just waits to get a good time. Okay, he says, the poet says that he had to wait to get a good time. Okay. I'm so glad that you were there when I was sad. Simple, right? So I'm so glad that you were there when I was sad. The poet feels really grateful to the teacher for being by his or her side in times of sadness. So he says, I'm really glad that you were there by my side. Okay? And this is what makes you not just my ninth grade teacher, my friend. Simple, right? So all these make me to feel not just as a class teacher of 9 or ninth grade teacher, but my friend, because I find the qualities of a friend in you, in the teacher. The poet says that the poet finds comfort, okay, assistance, support from his or her teacher. That's the reason the poet says that this is what makes me to feel that you are not just a teacher but a friend. Okay? So, why does a student or the poet consider the teacher as his or her friend? Because the teacher stays right by the students or the poet's side whenever the poet is suffering from any problem, and greets the poet whenever he meets the poet. So the poet considers the teacher as his best friend, not just a teacher. Okay. Well, students, let's once again summarize the a poem, not just a teacher but a friend. Okay, so in this poem, a student is saying to his teacher, he says with confidence, I should say that at that I had neither any direction nor any place to go. I think that you need to know that I don't know what made me trust you. I remember that day particularly when I told you what I have been through, and thinking that I should run away to escape the studies. At that time you directed me so well and brought out my spirits. As time passed, our trust also became stronger. Whenever I wanted to cry, you stayed right by my side. Then I got promoted to the next class. As a boy, I was afraid that our trust would slowly fade, but it was proud that I was strong and learned that our relation becomes stronger. Now at present, though you have no time, you greet me and ask me whether I am fine at that time, though I am not well and feel very much worried. I will simply say yes, and we both got separated. I have to wait to get good time. I am very glad to say that whenever I was sad, you were with me, and this makes you not my teacher but my friend. So, well, students, I believe you have understood today's session or reading B, which is titled as Not Just a Teacher but a Friend. Okay, see you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.